So we're kind of outdoors in the morning waiting for a shuttle. What did they say her name was? Trail Angel Mary.
Trail Angel Mary.
She's got her own little thing on the gut hooks app, so we're gonna shuttle down to Pine Grove.
Pine Grove Furnace.
Pine Furnace?
Pine Grove Furnace.
Oh, okay. Well, whatever it is, I can't remember that. I think of Pine Grove, I think of Little House on the Prairie.
Really?
Isn't that Pine Grove? Oh, it's Walnut Grove.
Walnut Grove.
Oh.
I don't know what you're talking about. Mom lives in storage. And I was living in a tent.
Pine Grove Furnace State Park or museum, right?
AT Museum.
AT Museum.
One out. I know there's quite a few, I think. But this is yeah. I'll take a picture of this. Go ahead.
Are you doing video then?
No.
Oh, what's? All right, I'm gonna put my pack out of here. It's too heavy.
Appalachian Trail. And it kind of shows. We started out in Springer. We went all the way up to Tennessee. And then we flipped all the way up to Katahdin. We came all the way through Maine. We hopped over New Hampshire because I hurt my knees. We went all the way through Vermont, Massachusetts, and most of New York. And that's when we got off again because of, well, Roger's wallet got stolen. So then we got back on this year. Or like, excuse me, last year, and we started back down here where we flipped up, went all the way to right there, boom, right before Pine Grove Furnace. We actually stopped in Maryland, I believe. And now we're going all the way up to New York, where we got off, and we're gonna finish New Hampshire, and ta-da, we'll be done. So just wanted to show some of this stuff. This is the Appalachian Trail Museum. Ooh, hey, that's Benton Mackay, or Mackay. He's a writer, apparently. Oh, remember that old typewriter that we all had to use? Maybe not that old, but that type of typewriter. This is an example of what the shelters look like, only it's miniature. Oh, the old Katahdin sign. Oh, that's the famous sign that you take your picture at. Oh, so that must be the old one. They put in the new one. That looks like our old boots that we used to use. Pioneer long distances. Oh, here's Grandma Gatewood. Look at how she backpacked. None of us should complain. She used a burlap sack. Oh my gosh. They have her sneaker. That's her sneaker that she used. That's crazy. That's her first aid sewing kit. That's crazy. And that's her, that can't be her bag, is it? Maybe it is. And Mackay. Look at all that. So cool, yeah. Yep, we still have that backpack. Children's Museum. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. It shows you what a northbound hike looks like, what a flip-flop looks like, what a southbound looks like. There's a shelter over here too. This is cool. You start here and da-da-da-da-da. If you want to go northbound, it takes you northbound. If you want to go southbound, it takes you southbound. This is so cool. This is so cool. 78 miles in Georgia. 95 miles in North Carolina. Oh my God. The Green Tunnel in Tennessee. There's a lot of green tunnels. That's 72 miles. We've done that. Virginia that was a long one. It was 550 miles. And it was far to me. And it had McAvee Knob and the ponies. West Virginia was beautiful. It wasn't very long, only a few miles. It's 4 miles. 4 miles in West Virginia. And then Maryland, which we did, was 40 miles. And that was beautiful too. Pennsylvania, which is what we're in right now, and it's been beautiful. They call it Rocksylvania. Oh, the ice cream challenge we did not do. We chose no. A lot of people are saying they saw rattlesnakes yesterday. Quite a few people. New Jersey. Apparently they have a lot of black bears. 72 miles in New Jersey. 230. We've only gone 40. About 45 miles so far. Dang it. We still got a long way to go on that one. Look at this little reading nook. This is amazing. I am shocked how beautiful this is. Look at, we've already done I think at least 40 or 50 miles in New York. So we have it halfway done. Connecticut. Pretty sure we did Connecticut. I think we did. That has 50 miles. We already did Connecticut. We already did Massachusetts, and I love Massachusetts. There's 90 miles into Massachusetts. Aw, it's a picture. That's a whippoorwill. Hear that? Oh, 1970s, I think. Yeah, those are the boots we had. I think we still have that pair. It was 150 miles. I felt like it was not that far. We really enjoyed it. New Hampshire. That's where we still need to go. 160 miles there. And we finished Maine, but we might do Katahdin again, just for fun of it. Look at this. This is cool. This is inside the shelter. They put like stars. Roger, this is so cute. I'm inside of the cabin in here with the stars.
Does it have a whippoorwill?
And then you hear the whippoorwill and an owl. Oh, that's an owl. In case you were wondering, we heard that at night all the time. One night we heard a couple of owls, and we don't know what they were doing, but we know it wasn't good. Either it was good or it wasn't good. Oh, that's the bird that we cannot stand.
Horned owl, loon.
Oh, maybe that was a loon. Yeah.
Crickets is next.
Oh, crickets.
Whippoorwill was the number one.
Oh, I heard it.
Yeah, so it was the first one.
Yeah. What is that? Oh, coyote. It's a coyote.
Yeah.
This is a really fun thing. Did you walk around and see this?
Yeah, I watched it. It's cool.
I kind of want to get the whippoorwill in there. Well, there. We've heard lots of the thunder and storm and lightning and downpours. And so we're going to go back to the whippoorwill. Oh, that's what he looks like. Here. Whippoorwill. Great horned owl. The loon kind of sounded like a whippoorwill, sort of. Crickets. We know what those sound like. Coyote and thunderstorm. So we should be back to this little cute bird. He's kind of cute. I didn't know he was so cute. I wouldn't be so mean to him. But
they're small.
They're tiny, but they make so much noise.
Is it going to start again?
I think so. I hope so, because I want to hear that doggone thing.
You got to press the button.
Sit down.
You just have to press the button.
I don't think you have to press. There he is. Whippoorwill. Whippoorwill. And that goes on all night. It goes on at least until like 2 in the morning. He finally goes to sleep about 2 or 3, and then they're up before the light comes up. I don't understand. I don't know when they sleep.
Excuse me. So this is from the parking area, and we're walking on this paved thing. I guess the campground's up here somewhere, but I guess you drive from the other way and you ride bikes or walk this way, I guess. It's beautiful through here. I don't know. I haven't seen any, but there's a bunch of bikes in the park. So we're getting a late start after we visit a museum. It's already 10:30.
This is pretty. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, that's cool. We could go swimming, honey. There's a beach. Oh, good morning.
Morning.
Oh, the water looks nice. Oh, there is a beach. There's the beach. There's people playing on the beach. That is so cool. It's like a hiker spot where people go and swim. Cute little bridges. Ooh, there's muck down there. Tired, not ready, honey. Isn't that pretty? The grass that's in there. So pretty. It's beautiful. We got a ride this morning from Duncannon from a trail angel named Mary, and she had such a lovely story. She, I'm not sure if she was struggling. She didn't really mention that. Oh, look at how pretty this is. Look at that. It's wonderful camp spots, even though you can't camp there because they do like hunting and archery there. So I don't think I'd want to camp there, even if they would let me. Anyway, she was, this is so pretty. I just thought you would want to see the gorgeousness. I cannot believe this is Pennsylvania. Like, I just don't understand. I'm sure I'm going to understand soon, so I should just enjoy this. Her dad used to take her camping and hiking all around this area when she was little. And as she grew older, she had different things going on. She didn't have a job in 2000, and I think she said 2. And she was hiking and staying. She was looking for a job, and she was in a tent, and these people kept going by. She knew nothing about the Appalachian Trail, even though she had been hiking and camping in these hills her entire life since she was little. And somebody told her that they were through hiking and they were going from Georgia to Maine. And she was like, the what? The Appalachian Trail? That was in like 2002. And she has been doing being a trail angel and giving rides to people since 2002. It was amazing. A great story. And she just loves everybody. She's going to do some, this weekend we might see her again at a place we're probably going to cross, doing some trail magic, so excited about that. Anyway, I'm going to be sad when we get off of this beautiful, it's soft gravel too. It's not like big rocks, tiny little rocks. Beautiful.
This is MacGyver on the trail.
On the trail.
He's MacGyvering. Go, go, go.
Doesn't it sound great?
But
I love it. I would just sit all night and listen to that. Seriously. Oh, yeah.
Have you heard about love giving sight to the blind? My baby's love will cause the sun to shine. She's
sweet little thing.
She my pride and joy. She my sweet little baby. I'm her little lover boy. Yeah, I love my baby with my heart and my soul. Love like ours will never grow old. Now she's my sweet little thing. She my pride and joy. She my sweet little baby. I'm her little lover boy. Yeah, I love my Lorene, long and lean. You mess with her, you see a man getting me. 'Cause she's my sweet little thing. She my pride and joy. She my sweet little baby. I'm her little lover boy. Sorry about this.
Stevie Ray, baby.
Don't get enough of this.
Oh, awesome! That was awesome, MacGyver. That is.
How do you keep it tuned, though?
Took a little side trip here to the Green Mountain General Merchandise. So it's like 210s on a road, uphill of course, but the trail to it was really flat and nice. So we got 210s to get back to that. So we're just gonna take a break here. We didn't need anything, but oh well. We met a couple hikers. Number 2 Pencil and Anonymous are their trail names. So super duper nice people.